Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out more videos and download additional presets from the links in the description.